Ever feel like you hit a wall by lunchtime? It's a common struggle many of us face, grappling with low energy levels that can derail our productivity and dampen our day. But here's the good news. There are ways to power through. Watch this video, How to Increase Energy Throughout the Day till the end, and you will learn the doctor's guide. Whether it's sleepless nights, a sedentary lifestyle, or food choices that leave you feeling sluggish, there are strategies to tackle them all. This, How to Increase Energy Throughout the Day. A doctor's guide will equip you with strategies to feel energized and crush your day. Let's dive into this journey of boosting your energy levels, shall we? Feeling drained can have many causes like sleepless nights, a sedentary lifestyle, and poor food choices. Let's dive deeper into these energy thieves. First off, sleepless nights. Our bodies use sleep to restore and repair various functions, so it's no surprise that lack of this vital rest can leave us feeling sluggish and drained. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to maintain optimal energy levels. It's not just about the quantity, but also the quality of sleep. Your room should be dark, quiet, and cool to promote a good night's rest. Next up, the couch potato lifestyle. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to a host of health problems, including fatigue. Regular exercise, even short bursts, can significantly boost your energy levels. It's like kickstarting your engine. And no, you don't have to run a marathon. Even a brisk 10-minute walk can do wonders for your energy levels. Lastly, we have food choices that drain you. It's no secret that what you eat directly impacts how you feel. Consuming too much sugar, for instance, can lead to a quick surge of energy followed by a crash. This is because sugar causes your blood sugar levels to spike and then drop. Instead, choose healthy options like whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables for sustained energy. Also, let's not forget hydration. Dehydration can masquerade as fatigue. Even mild dehydration can make you feel tired. So don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Now we've identified the culprits, but identifying is only half the battle. The real challenge is making the lifestyle changes necessary to combat these energy thieves. It's about creating new habits. Start small, like swapping out your afternoon candy bar for a piece of fruit. Or try to incorporate more movement into your day, even if it's just a quick walk around the block. Awareness is the first step towards change. Identifying these energy thieves can help us make better choices. So, let's commit to making those choices that will keep us energized and ready to conquer the day. Hydration, smart snacking, the power of movement, and naps can be your allies in the fight against fatigue. First up, let's talk about hydration. Dehydration can seriously drain your energy. When your body doesn't have enough water, it has to work harder to carry out basic functions, leaving you feeling zapped. So, be a hydration hero. Keep a water bottle at your side and sip throughout the day. If you struggle to drink plain water, try infusing it with fruits or herbs for a refreshing twist. Next, we have smart snacking. Ever notice how you feel sluggish after a sugary snack? That's the sugar crash. Instead, opt for nutrient-dense snacks like fruits, nuts, or yogurt. These foods provide a steady source of energy, helping to maintain your blood sugar levels and keep you fueled up. So, next time you reach for a snack, make it a smart one. Now let's get moving. Even short bursts of movement can give your energy levels a boost. You don't need to run a marathon. A quick walk around the block or a few bodyweight exercises can do the trick. The key is to get your blood pumping and your body moving. If you're working at a desk all day, try setting a reminder to stand up and stretch every hour. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a good nap. A quick 20-minute power nap can help you feel refreshed and focused. Just be sure not to nap too close to bedtime, as it can interfere with your night's sleep. If you find it hard to nap during the day, try creating a quiet, dark environment to help your body relax. Remember, small changes can have a big impact on your energy levels. By incorporating these natural hacks into your daily routine, you'll not only feel more energized, but you'll also be taking steps towards a healthier lifestyle. So why wait? Start today and feel the difference for yourself. Small changes can have a big impact on your energy levels. Stress management, positivity, and natural light can greatly boost your energy levels. Let's kick things off with stress management. Chronic stress is an energy zapper. When we're stressed, our bodies produce hormones like cortisol, which can leave us feeling drained. So how do we combat this? Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and even yoga can help reduce stress levels, helping us feel more energized and ready to take on the day. Next up, positivity. A positive outlook isn't just good for our mental health, it can also boost our energy levels. When we're positive, our bodies release endorphins, the feel-good hormones, which in turn increase energy levels. Celebrate your wins, big or small, and maintain a gratitude journal. Positivity can do wonders for your energy levels. And lastly, let's talk about natural light. Our bodies have an internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, which regulates our sleep-wake cycles. Exposure to natural light, particularly in the morning, can help regulate this rhythm, meaning better sleep and more energy throughout the day. So, open those blinds, take a walk outside during your lunch break, or even consider a light therapy box if you're in a darker environment. Remember, consistency is key. By incorporating information on how to increase energy throughout the day, these tips into your daily routine, you can conquer your day feeling your best. Want to finally stop feeling drained? We've explored the reasons why we might feel tired throughout the day, and have identified the culprits: sleepless nights, a sedentary lifestyle, and poor food choices. But remember, we've also equipped you with powerful natural hacks to combat low energy levels. Hydration, smart snacking, movement, and power naps can all be your secret weapons to boosting your energy. Moreover, we've emphasized the impact of small changes in managing stress, embracing positivity, and leveraging natural light. These can significantly improve your energy levels and overall well-being. It's essential to remember that consistency is key in all of this. Implement these strategies you learned on this video, how to increase energy throughout the day, into your daily routine, and you'll soon see a difference. You'll conquer each day feeling your best, energized and ready to take on anything that comes your way. Try out these energy boosting tips and share your results in the comments below. Let's get you energized.